The combination of Redo It and Aqua Plus water-based stains bring an exciting new dimension to the overlay arena. The system is easy to apply and can be used by mixing two different colors of Redo It material, then blending them into the surface. Redo It has proven to be a very cost-effective system to restore ugly, aged concrete. Here's what you'll need for equipment: an acid brush, pressure washer, pump sprayer, spike shoes, a drill with a cone mixer, 2 large tubs for ice, a garden hose, measuring cups, roller, and roll covers. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve beautiful, customer-pleasing results. To assure a clean concrete surface, and that's important, sweep it off, wet it down, and use Aqua Plus cleaner, etcher, and degreaser. You can dilute it up to 2 to 1. However, it works much better at full strength. A long handle acid brush and a light scrubbing action works best. Pressure washing is next. These basics are necessary even if you're only doing an Aqua Plus stain, a Mirage stamp overlay, or the Redo It systems separately. Here we're installing the Redo It system, and then later we're going to show you how to use the Aqua Plus water-based stains in combination with the Redo It system. Now make sure you check that surface temperature before starting any type of Redo It or Mirage overlay system. The temperature handgun from any auto supply store is a great help to get a reading on that surface temperature ahead of time. Next, you need to put down the primer. You'll need 3 coats. The primer comes dry in a 5-gallon pail. Add from 3 to 3.5 gallons of cold water. When mixed, you'll get enough for up to 1,000 square feet from each pail. Put about 4 bags of ice in a tub, run in the water, and use that cold water to mix with. That primer will dry clear. And remember, it's 3 coats. The Redo It pail will cover up to 80 square feet, so you can figure how many pails you'll need. We'll start with the gray Redo It, and then we'll add in the beige and sandstone integral colors. We'll mix 6 pails here, 3 beige and 3 sandstone. Roll each pail to loosen it up. We're mixing a little extra primer here to add to the Redo It. Our successful contractors all say, work out of direct sunlight, and if you can't find shade, make it. Now with 1 gallon of the cold water in each of our 6 mixing pails, we're adding in a scoop of primer, further assurance of a good bond. Next, add the color to the liquid and mix it first with the cone mixer. Mix at least 2 minutes to make sure the pigment is thoroughly blended. We added about a half cup to each pail. 3 pails got the beige, and the other 3 got the sandstone. Now it's time to add the dry, gray Redo It to each pail, mixing at least 2 to 3 minutes, and sometimes adding another ounce or 2 of water. The spike shoes will let you get out onto the surface. We put down a pail of sandstone, then a pail of beige, blending them together with a magic trowel with a long handle. Some contractors spray the material on, adding more water to the mix, and some use a roller. However, we feel the magic trowel works the best. The next day, the final touch. Choose a solvent-based Ultra Sheen 6000 or water-based exterior Ultra Sheen 1000 sealer. Apply lightly, waiting at least 4 hours, and applying a second coat. And use a Purdy or an equally high quality roller cover when applying any sealers. Nice job. Now we'll cover the way our Aqua Plus water-based stains can complement the Redo It surface. It's the proven Redo It process. Roll the pails to loosen it up. Mix with cold water from the ice-filled tub. And we're mixing up a base coat of white Redo It. Once the surface has cured for a day or two, you can add the Aqua Plus stain. Aqua Plus water-based stains come in 10 colors in convenient 1 or 5-gallon pails. For this project, we'll have a blue aqua-based stain base with highlights of Aqua Plus light gray for highlights. We use a pump sprayer for best results. However, some roll it on and others use sponges. We cut the blue only 25%, which makes the stain really strong. When it's dry, you'll have to wash the residue off, both the base color as well as the gray highlights, with a garden hose and an acid brush. When the blue base coat is dry, apply the gray highlights. You can cut the stain up to 3 to 4 times, depending on the shade that you want to achieve. Use our water base, Ultra Sheen 1000. Apply 2 coats, waiting at least 4 hours between coats. This is a proven method. If you need it, assistance is just minutes away. Let's talk now about pricing. The Aqua Plus water-based stains over a Redo It base gives you a price that will run from $3.95 to $5.95 a square foot, depending on the size of the project and the prep work needed. These prices also apply to colored Redo It projects.